Hi, my name is Melody Thomas, and I am a student at Touro College, Graduate School of Education. My courses are EDSN 650, Educational Technology, and EDSN 640 of Assessment. And during these two courses with Dr. Stein, I have created my instructional and educational website. And here is a brief. This is called an oral document. This is everything that I learned in the classroom, and I uploaded it and put it on a PDF form. So briefly going through, is the intro of myself. I have the Internet Acceptable Use Policy. Here's my table of contents, so you're able to go to whatever you like by clicking on one of those. Scrolling down, there is a brief description about me. That's my picture when I graduated with my bachelor's degree. There's a brief description about myself, as well as my resume for future candidates who are looking to hire me. Another brief description of my website. Welcome to my site. My name is Miss Melody. I'm employed with the NYC DOE. I create a personal educational site for parents, students, and administrators to share information. Here you will find post lessons, students' accomplishments, and activities, and share content. Going down is my resource page. It's a description of, it's for teachers in the class if you need help with different things like Teachers Pay Teachers, other great cool things you can use inside the classroom. I have fun stuff. It's for students. This way students have things to do when they are done with their work early, or if it's a rainy day, you can have indoor recess. I created something about trips. Here's some things you can go on. I love going to the zoo, so I chose, here are some fun things to do in NYC. There are 4 main zoos in New York City, so these are the ones with links attached. My videos are attached of all the things I've been learning in the classroom. Type of assessment, this is related to my EdTPA, which is my EDSN 640 class. I have learned a lot of things in that. Autism 7 is a way to show students that even if you are not able to understand one topic, children with autism, they're very, very highly intelligent in other topics. So here's some fun, cool videos you can also do in the classroom to show students. I learned about the special laws of education. Now here, just say the ADA. If I'm really interested, I can take my link, click on the link. That link will, then bring me to the web page of Americans with Disability Act. Going back to my page, I'm continuously scrolling down. All my links are accessible for you to go to the next page. We also did an EdTPA lesson. Here is my lesson in regards to EdTPA. So it's there for anyone who needs any help. We did this as a group presentation of geography, so if you had a lesson with this, you can know how to access. Going back, we have used this book, Disability with Nielsen. Here's some highlights of what he spoke about in his book that refers to special education. The classroom assessment, again, this is for the EdTPA. There are many different topics that we have learned throughout the course. Scrolling down. And here's my course comments. I hope you enjoyed my brief tutorial. Again, my page is easily accessible. You can find it. Here is the link. Now if I click on this will bring me to my actual page that we created inside the classroom. I have all of the things I show you on my old doc, but it's actually here on this site. Here's some videos that I posted. Introduction to my site. My old document is on my web page. Again, my fun stuff. Little things that we have been learning in the classroom. So if something's not on the old document, it is a link for you to go into my page to find what we can do. If I click on my videos, also you'll see all my videos that I have posted. So if you have any more questions, again, you can contact me back to my old document. you can, find a way to you can contact me and do my link. And thank you. I hope you enjoy. Have a